Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in Candy Crush Saga with Apple ID. To log into your Candy Crush Saga account using your Apple ID, first of all, launch open the Candy Crush Saga app on your iPhone or your iPad. After you do that, accept to the terms and conditions by tapping accept and then click on Retrieve My Progress button in blue on the page. You will then end up in this sign in and sign up page where you need to tap on the Continue With button under Sign Up with Email. There, if you are using your iOS device, you will also see an option that says Continue with Apple. Tap on Continue with Apple button and then you will need to enter your Apple ID credentials. If prompted, enter your Apple ID credential, or you can also use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. Once logged in, your game progress will be linked to your Apple ID. If you wish to get emails about new games and offers, tap on Yes. If not, tap on I prefer not to receive those emails. Right after you do that, you will be able to see your profile. Now you can go ahead and cross this section and start playing Candy Crush Saga. So that's how you can easily log into Candy Crush Saga with your Apple ID in just a couple of steps. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.